Thanks for downloading the Facility Comparison Checklist. Should be in your inbox in the next few minutes. Are you looking for the best way to house your church, but you're not sure whether to buy, build, lease, or rent? Don't worry, we got your back. Let's start by answering this question. What does it cost to run each type of facility? Now, there's a lot that goes into making this kind of a decision, so don't get overwhelmed. We've actually got a checklist for you that'll help you cover your bases. Let's walk through it right now. First, there are operational costs. If you're renting or leasing, how much is the annual rent? How much does it cost to maintain the space? What about utilities like gas, electric, network services? Then there's the cost of keeping up the building's natural rate of deterioration. It's what we call capital reserves or life cycle costs. As a rule of thumb, you'll need to set aside about $1 to $3 per square foot per year. Second, there's what we call the sticks and bricks category. This mostly applies to those who want to build from scratch or renovate parts of their facility. For example, how much will it cost to buy the land or building? Then, how much will it cost to construct the building or improve it? What about the soft costs, such as hiring an architect or engineer, building permits, insurance? Lastly, don't forget to factor in the furniture, fixtures, and equipment you'll use in each facility. This includes audio, video, and lighting gear. Ask yourself, how many chairs will you need to buy? What furniture do you need to set up your education environments and hospitality areas? And how much will it cost to use trailers or trucks to move everything around? We've included another section down below for things to keep in mind if you're leasing a space. Depending on how your lease agreement is set up, there may be other costs or factors into the bottom line. Use this checklist to jumpstart your research process. Then, when you're ready to do the math, download the template on the right to see side-by-side comparisons of all your options. Today, we want to offer you a free 20-minute consultation, no strings attached. We love helping churches that are planting for Jesus. Go ahead and click that link, schedule your call. We look forward to talking with you and walking through your questions. God bless and happy launching.